my beautiful people. Welcome back to another very chilly night. HOA and I both have a cold and are coughing, so I'm probably not going to talk very much in this video, but I hope we're going to have a good time. I have my Dyke Brown from Golden that I've kind of been obsessed with the last couple of weeks, and I've done a few pours. We did one called Shadow Spells, which was really cool, and I really enjoyed that a lot. And I want to play with it with this color palette, and I hope it's going to come out really good. Last night I did two pours. The first one was a dirty cup with a straight pour, and I poured it out from up high, and it got very blendy, and I wasn't really happy with it, so I poured it again, but this time I layered the cup, and I will show you guys that video, I think. But I would actually like these same colors to come out more vibrant, so talking to my good friend Kelly from Feral Art, she said, why don't you just do a flip cup? And I realized she's right. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight on this beautiful 24 by 36 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have painted my sides and edges, and I have taped and pinned my back. Okay, so that's all ready to go. I'll show you these colors real quick, and then we're going to layer some cups, and we're going to flip them out and hopefully make something amazing. So the first one we're using is that Golden's Dyke Brown, which I love. Nice, deep, and rich. I had mentioned in that Shadow Spells video about the difference between like the Amsterdam Dyke Brown being more milk chocolate. So if you don't have Golden and you have one that's not as pigmented, you can always either use a little bit more paint, or you can add a little bit of black to your brown, your Dyke Brown, and it will deepen it up. So the next one we're using is this, let me see if I can say it right, Benzimidazolone Burnt Orange, also from Golden. Love, 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 love this color. Gorgeous and rich, just so very fall, autumn, wonderful vibe, love it. So this one is Azo Gold, also from Golden. Looks weird in the cup, but does beautiful things on the canvas. So that's our Azo Gold. Hello, Teddy. Would you like to say hi to everybody? Come here. You're huge. Whoa, you're so big. He's such a big boy. Hi, baby. You're gonna be so good. Say hi, everyone. He's gonna go play. Go play. Go find your toy. Okay, and last but not least, we have some Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with a little bit of Naples Yellow Light, also from Amsterdam. My pouring medium is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's layer some cup now. For that size canvas, we need about 30 ounces of paint. These are 7-ounce cups. I have 4. That makes 28 ounces. That's fine. We have plenty of base coat to put down, or flow extender. So let's layer. We're going to do flip cups. So I want to put actually a little bit of gold on the bottom of each of them. A little bit of gold. Azo Gold now. Dyke. A little bit of 24 karat gold. Naples yellow color. I'm going to do that one more time. Start orange again. probably good enough. That. This lovely big canvas. Okay. We're gonna flip all 4 of them out before we tilt anything. So I'm gonna do them pretty close to each other. I'm just gonna put like a line right here in the middle. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Je suis prêt.
Here we go. Okay, so there's 1. And 2. 3. And 4. Here we go. Some magic taps. Alright, let's start over here. Ready, darling? Here we go. We're just gonna pick this straight up and look at it, and then if I want to, I'm gonna lip it. Yes. That's pretty. Okay. That's good. We're gonna do this one. Ready?
Wait, huh?
Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I love those colors. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, last one. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Wow. I love this. Okay. So, right here, a little extender. This is a bunch of different drips mixed up. It's kind of this light brown, beigey color. And we're gonna go around this. Cool. I really like this a lot. I think it's really pretty. Okay. I'm getting flamey colors. Let's just sort of tilt this around. I'm gonna go down off of this corner over here first.
making sweet time tonight.
It's cold.
Gold is kicking.
A little bit off here. Alright. That's cool. Take this back down this way now. Might take some off of the bottom edge. It's still moving pretty fast. But it's really pretty down there. I don't know, we might not. That's kind of cool. What do you think, honey?
I like it.
The only part I'm not crazy about is in here. There's like this weird murky color. I'll actually see if I can take some of that off. Because there's still a lot of paint moving here. And we don't need it all. Also not crazy about this white right there.
It's like marbling.
Mm-hmm. I don't think we're gonna get that whole thing of white off. Okay. I don't want to take too much more off because the other side is starting to get very thin, which is kind of cool, but we're okay now in terms of how much paint we have left on here. We're just gonna let some of this come back towards the center and even out the composition, and I think we'll be done. It's pretty cool looking. Okay. Cool. Okay. Let's torch this real quick. Well, that turned out pretty awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with our dried results. This is a few days later. My lovely Joey is holding it so that Gail doesn't steal the painting. This was our 24 by 36 flip cup with our Dyke Brown and the Benzodazzolone burnt orange and the Azo Gold and a little bit of titanium white. So this came out pretty cool. I love these colors. This bottom section here is so bold and vibrant and just very autumnal. Just really, really beautiful colors together. I really like the composition on this. Kind of smoky, kind of shadowy, a little bit of sky up there, very mountainy, and as is fitting with the other Dyke Brown paintings we've done, there's a serious shadowy effect to this. So this one came out really, really cool. I'm very happy with this. I love these colors together. The composition is really beautiful, and it worked. So this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a try and give a Dyke Brown a try and get to see what happens with your colors. So this was great. Thank you so much for being here with us. We'll see you real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.